Guys, welcome back. So guys, in this session we will try to create UI helper. Okay, UI helper. Okay, dot JS. So now uh export. Okay, export async, and I'll create a function to enter the value. Okay, I will create a function to enter a value. So fill. Okay, fill input. Okay, fill input, locator. Okay, and now value. So okay, so now after that wait. So we will use locator dot fill. Okay, so you know, right? Fill method is used to enter a value. So this is the one function I have created. I will create another function. Okay, so another function name is click. Okay, so you can see how this is click, and no need to pass the value, only locator is required. Locator dot click. So now I just showing you couple of function. In the coming session when I will start to write another test cases. Okay, so I will write few test cases according to the requirement. We will add the function inside this utils. So that's all in this session, guys. In the next one, bye bye.